Unlocking financial potential, strategies for a better economic future. Ready to unlock the gateway to financial prosperity? Imagine a life where your money works diligently for you, effortlessly growing and securing your dreams. Welcome to the realm of unlocking financial potential, strategies for a better economic future. This video is your key to understanding the secrets that can turn your financial goals into achievable realities. We'll delve into strategies, tips, and insights that transform financial aspirations into tangible outcomes. No more financial stress, just the empowerment to sculpt the life you envision. Get ready to decode the language of investments, savings, and wealth growth, ensuring a secure and flourishing economic journey. Don't just dream about financial independence. Let's unlock the potential to make it your reality. If you're new here, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications of upcoming videos. Let's get started. What is financial potential? Financial potential is the innate capacity within an individual to generate wealth and achieve economic prosperity. It encompasses a person's ability to effectively manage finances, make informed investment decisions, and navigate the complex world of money. This potential isn't just about earning a high income, but extends to how efficiently one can save, invest, and grow their financial resources over time. Impact of financial potential on an individual's economic future. Understanding and maximizing financial potential is crucial for securing a stable economic future. It empowers individuals to set realistic financial goals, create effective budgets, and devise investment strategies aligned with their aspirations. By recognizing their financial potential, individuals can harness opportunities for growth, whether through entrepreneurship, investments, or career advancements. Moreover, it enables a sense of financial security, peace of mind, and the ability to support oneself and loved ones during emergencies or retirement. In essence, realizing and nurturing one's financial potential is akin to unlocking a pathway towards achieving financial freedom, meeting life goals, and contributing positively to society. It's a journey of continuous learning, adaptability, and making prudent financial choices that ultimately shape a prosperous and fulfilling economic life. Components of financial potential. Ever wondered about the dynamic components that compose your financial potential? It's like building blocks to your financial success. Firstly, your mindset and beliefs about money play a crucial role, followed by financial literacy and education, understanding the rules of the game. Next, your ability to set and pursue financial goals, aligning with your aspirations. Additionally, financial discipline, managing spending and saving habits is a key pillar. Financial potential affects personal financial growth. Now, let's talk impact. When you harness your financial potential, the effects are transformative. You're more likely to make informed decisions, optimizing investments, and minimizing risk. You cultivate resilience in the face of financial challenges. Your savings and investments grow strategically, snowballing into financial security. Ultimately, your financial potential fuels a prosperous journey, shaping your personal financial growth into a thriving, unstoppable force. Strategies for a better economic future. Number 1. Start with your yearly budget. Setting up a well-defined budget is an essential step in financial planning. While budgeting may not invoke much excitement, it serves a crucial purpose. It allows you to identify necessary lifestyle adjustments to boost your savings and enhance your financial stability. The idea is to align your expenditures with your income and calculate potential savings on a weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. An effective rule is to consider the 50-30-20 guidelines, wherein 50% of your earnings cater to essentials, 30% for your desires, and the remaining 20% is allocated to savings. Number 2. Calculate your outgoings. It's challenging to retain receipts for every purchase, but it's vital to monitor your monthly spending on both necessities and indulgences. In terms of your expenses, you should ask yourself 2 fundamental questions. Have you adhered to your budget? And how much have you saved? If your answers are negative, indicating you strayed away from your budget and saved nothing, it's crucial to identify the unnecessary expenditures that disrupted your financial plans. Utilizing helpful financial apps for a daily record of your income and expenditures can be highly beneficial. Always keep in mind that making small sacrifices today will significantly contribute to securing your future. Number 3. Reviewing your financial goals. When contemplating potential financial adjustments, it's essential to kick off each year by assessing your overall living circumstances. What new developments are happening in your life? Have your financial objectives shifted? Moreover, it's crucial to evaluate the effectiveness of your existing investment approaches. If your financial position isn't aligning with your aspirations, it's time for some adjustments. Any new objectives should be realistic and well managed, necessitating a discussion with a financial advisor before implementing significant alterations. Number 4. Reassess your attitude to risk. Effective investment management hinges on your attitude towards risk. Reflect on whether your risk tolerance is akin to what it was a year ago, or if you become a bit more risk adverse. Consider how this aligns with your goals, and if there's a disparity, seeking advice from your financial advisor is prudent. It may be crucial to reorganize your investment portfolio and breathe fresh vitality into your investments, and a financial advisor can expertly navigate you through this rejuvenation process. Number 5. Grow your savings. Begin saving right away if you haven't already. Savings are the cornerstone of financial stability, so delaying until you absolutely need it is not ideal. By then, it might be too late. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to managing savings, but regular checks on your monthly contributions are essential. Waiting until it's nearly too late to save for your retirement goals is a common pitfall. Some try to compensate by saving large sums rapidly. However, it's wise to be sensible and not save beyond your means, especially for long-term saving like your pension. Remember, it's about pacing and consistency, more akin to a marathon than a sprint. Number 6. Safeguard your personal, family, and business protection. Life is full of uncertainties, and it's crucial to evaluate if you and your family are ready for unexpected changes. For instance, your life cover plans might fall short if you're unable to work. It's important to reconsider your strategy to protect your family's well-being. Similarly, business owners face unique risks, like the impact of losing a vital employee. It's essential to ensure that your business insurance adequately covers losses due to the absence or need for a replacement. Number 7. Take into account any life-changing events. In addition to preparing for unexpected situations, you should consider how positive life-changing events will impact your financial present and future. These events can range from getting married, a salary boost, welcoming a new family member, to starting a business. When such events occur, informing your financial advisor is crucial. They can assist in evaluating how these changes may affect your existing investments. This reassessment includes factors like your wealth building capacity, retirement planning, and leveraging tax and insurance advantages. Number 8. Establish a repayment plan for any debts and claim potential credit. If you gather debt over time, establishing a solid repayment strategy is crucial. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts like credit card balances, holiday expenses, and personal loans. Even a single missed payment can lead to bigger financial problems. Staying consistent with your repayments also offers added benefits. Some credit card providers offer rewards like points, cashback, or vouchers, which you can claim. If you plan to apply for a loan in the upcoming year, maintaining a healthy debt-to-income ratio and good credit score is crucial. Number 9. Invest in your financial knowledge. Expanding your understanding of investment landscape and financial markets can enhance your financial knowledge. Keeping yourself informed by reading key news stories about inflation and current market trends is advisable, as these factors have a direct impact on your savings. Major fund management companies like BlackRock and Fidelity offer dedicated weekly news sections on their websites curated for investors. Moreover, research in today's digital era doesn't require delving into extensive books. Many financial experts utilize platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and podcasts to simplify intricate technical and financial concepts, making knowledge more accessible. Number 10. Seek the advice of a financial advisor. Preparing for the upcoming 10 to 15 years requires dedication, especially when you have intricate objectives like securing a mortgage or establishing a self-invested personal pension. While a few individuals possess the expertise to handle their finances independently, most will eventually seek guidance. A financial advisor is the ideal source for expert insights in such situations, and their input can prove to be invaluable. If you already have a financial advisor, it's advisable to schedule periodic check-ins, preferably once or twice a year. This way, they can review your financial strategy and ensure it remains aligned with your evolving needs and goals. I hope you liked this video. Do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications of upcoming financial insights.